gosh. Look at none of the damage she did. I'm just trying to freak her out, but man, there is no damage at all. But she's thinking, oh man, what did I just do to this car? There is no damage whatsoever. She just bumped the wall, hit my license plate. Nothing to worry about. But we'll still freak her out a little bit. It'll be funny. Alright. No damage. Okay. That was interesting. What'd you do, Rosemary?
Did I hurt your car?
What do you think about a 4-inch crack?
What?
In the
Are you serious?
What'd you do, Rosemary? What'd you do to my car?
Oh my god, why aren't you showing me the video?
What?
I want to see what it looks like.
You want to see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Man, are you sure?
Yes?
Alright. Can't believe you did that.